Good morning students. I am going to start with long answers type questions of chapter 5. Okay, so your question is question number second. Question number first I had given in my previous video. Now I am going to start with question number 2. Your question number 2 is, what are the three subatomic particles of an atom? How are they different from each other? So your answer is in the early 20th century, it was found that an atom is made up of even smaller particles, namely electrons, protons, and neutrons. These particles are known as subatomic particles. Now it is asking that what are the difference between electron, protons and neutrons. So first you have to write the heading electrons. Electrons. Now you have to open page number 53. In page number 53 you have to start with the negatively. You have to start from here and you have to write till 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 28 gram. You have to write till here. Okay, this is your first one, electrons. Okay, now you have to write about second one, protons. You have to write about protons. In the same page, page number 53, you have to start from the positively. You have to start from the positively, okay, till hydrogen atom. Till hydrogen atom. Now third one you have to write about neutrons. In the same page, page number 53, you have to write full from subatomic particles. You have to start from subatomic particles till 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram. This is your first long questions answer. I hope you understood. Okay, first you have to write these three lines. Okay, in the question it is asking what do you mean by subatomic particles. So first you have to write these four lines. Then one by one you have to write about electrons in page number 53 from the negatively to 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 28 gram. Second heading you have to write protons. You have to start from the positively and you have to write till hydrogen atom. Third one you have to write about neutrons. In the same page you have to start from subatomic and you have to write till 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram. Now I am going to start with challenge question. Now you challenge question. Challenge questions. Two questions are there. Your first question is, why do we say that nucleus is positively charged? Your answer, is given in page number 53 only. You have to start. Nucleus is the central part of an atom which contains protons and neutrons. Both protons and neutrons. Neutrons are neutral. Neutrons are neutral and the protons are positively charged. Positively charged. That is why the nucleus is also positively charged. Thus, the nucleus is also positively charged due to the presence of protons. So this is your first challenge questions answer. Okay, now second one. Second question is, Dalton's atomic theory was proved wrong how? So your answer is, according to Dalton's atomic theory, an atom is indivisible. However, in the early 20th century, it was found that an atom is made up of even smaller particles, namely electrons, protons and neutrons. So according to Dalton's atomic theory, an atom is indivisible. However, in the early 20th century, it was found that an atom is made up of even smaller particles, namely electrons, protons and neutrons. That is why Dalton's atomic theory was proved wrong. That's why Dalton's atomic theory was proved wrong. So this is your second challenge question answer. Now in between the chapter also some exercises are given. So that exercises I am going to give you. All of you open page number 51. Open all of you page number 51 and fill the exercise in your book only. Page number 51. Question number A. Write the symbol of the following elements: iron, Fe, potassium, K, lithium, Li, sodium, Na, carbon, C, and last one is not last, sixth one is oxygen, that is O. Next one is calcium, Ca, then silicon, Si, silver, Ag, hydrogen, H, helium, He, and last one is magnesium, that is Mg. Now question number B. Identify whether the given formula is of an element or a compound. Aluminium, it is an element. You just write E. H2O, it is a compound. CO2, compound. Nitrogen, element. NaCl, sodium chloride, compound. Last one, iron, that is also element. So this is the exercise of page number 51. Now all of you open page number 56. Okay, now you open page number 56. In that also choose the correct option is given. That also I am going to give you. All of you mark in your book. Page number 56. First one. How many atoms of oxygen does ozone have? Your answer is B. That is 3. Second one. Nucleus of an atom contains. Your answer is A. That is protons and neutrons. Third one. Which of the following particle is neutral? That is C. Neutron. Fourth one. Sulfur is a, answer is C. Polyatomic molecule. Now one more exercise is given in page number 61. Page number 61. First one. Calcium is a, answer B, bivalent. Second one. SO4 2 minus is a, answer number C, compound radical. Question number 3. Quicklime contains A, calcium and oxygen. So your chapter 5 is completed. Now which questions you have to write in the copy? They are write in copy. Question number D, question number E, question number F, question number G, question number H, and question number I. These questions you have to write in the copy. So your chapter 5 is completed. Thank you so much.